Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja Janae, and today I'll be doing a Beyonce inspired makeup look. Boom! I can't believe I said that all in one take. That look, yeah, I be struggling. You know what? I should have said it like Beyonce. Hold on. Hey y'all, it's Beyonce. Welcome back to my channel. I can do it. Hey y'all, it's Beyonce. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I need to work on my Beyonce impersonation. Do y'all like the look? Are you living for it? Because I know I am. If you're a Beyonce fan, if you're part of the Beehive, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is pulled back, and let's just get right into it. The palette I'm going to use today to kind of recreate that Beyonce effortless makeup look is the Morphe. Obviously, I don't know how to take care of nice things because this is dirty as hell, girl. I think it's a perfect palette to kind of like recreate that look because Mr. Sir John did not send me the PR package. No shade, but you know, he forgot, you know what I'm saying? He must have got the emails mixed up. It's cool. I kind of want to keep this tutorial like true to the steps Sir John did. He was doing Desi's makeup. I remember he did her brows first because this is what he does for Beyonce. I am not going to use wig glue on the brows. I like the idea, but what I'm going to do to keep it kind of similar, I'm going to use the Got To Be Glued hairspray. This is what I typically use on a daily basis for my brows. I brush them up with this. I'm going to spray the spoolie because I'm not trying to get this hairspray everywhere. Oh my God. What can I spray this on? Yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this and I'm going to place the spoolie on here so that the hairspray doesn't get everywhere. Woohoo! Yeah! See, that was smart. I'm proud of myself. Because in the picture, my reference photo, Beyonce has nice, natural, I would still say kind of fluffy-ish brows. Me and Beyonce have very, very similar brows. She has a very high peak on one of the brows, and it's this one. The same brow as me. That makes us related. I've always thought like we were like distant cousins. You know, that cousin you don't see very often because they're away somewhere. I might lightly dust my brows with a little translucent powder. I'm going to use a little bit of the Cover FX loose setting powder. Put this here. I'm going to use precisely my brow pencil by Benefit. I've actually never used this before. This is in the color 5. I'm just gonna kind of like, I guess, diffuse it in there. Kind of want to go in with the MAC Spike tint. It's basically a brow pen. I'm going to clean up the brow just a tad bit. Okay, I think that looks good. I'm gonna do my other brow off camera, and I'm gonna come like right back, like that. All right, I'm back. We're gonna be real bougie with the skin prep. Because, you know, I'm embodying Beyonce. I just feel like she likes the luxurious things in life. Though I'm not there yet. We still gonna embody it with this Lancome Genifique Advanced Serum in here. And we're not gonna use a whole lot of it. Just a couple of dots. It feels nice and slippery on the face, which I like. So now that we applied our serums, we're going to go ahead and apply the primer, my Milk Hydro Grip. Oh my God, so sticky. I plan on getting a different color corrector in the future, but until then, we're going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics Orange Corrector. To break up the separations, I'm not gonna like myself since the baby. I'm gonna even make it up. Cause if we are, we're gonna use the L'Oreal 24-hour wear foundation, and my shade is the color Hazelnut, which is 510. And I want to wear something kind of light in texture, nothing that's gonna be too heavy on the skin. So for the concealer, I want to keep it light, El Natural. I want to use something I haven't used before. We're gonna use Revlon Candid. I believe that says Candid concealer. They put a big old sticker on the front. So yeah, I'm going to use the color medium deep, which is 050. So I'm gonna do some very like light sculpting on my face because I'm trying to have it look snatched. And I think the best product for me to use right now is the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 420. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C16. But this time, I'm gonna put the product on the back of my hand and I'm going to use a brush. This is a Sephora brand makeup brush, and I know this Sir John did say that he kind of buffs the contour like into Beyonce's face, so that way you kind of have more control. So it makes sense to me, so I'm gonna try it out. We're done scoping out the face. I'm going to set my face lightly. And Sir John did mention that he preferably uses a loose setting powder rather than like a pressed powder, because he said pressed powders are really heavy. The skin under your eyes is really, really like thin. He said it's almost translucent. Yeah, baking is kind of, it kind of just dries up your skin anyway. So the powder I'll be using today is actually by Hourglass because it's really, really fine in texture. So as you can see, the powder that's pretty much melted into my skin. I like it. I don't want to put too much powders on my face, but I am gonna lightly set just a little bit around my mouth area with a little bit of my Sephora micro smoothing powder in the shade Matte Tan. I'm gonna set underneath my like chin area because one time I went to work and I forgot to set the like underneath my face, and girl, it came right off. So remember, if you're gonna put foundation down here, remember to set it or your face is gonna come off. I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit. I cannot find my Fenty Beauty bronzer. I don't know where it is, but we're gonna use Oreal, which is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Mocha Mocha. So that's 360 right here. I done hit Pam because I like it. I like it a lot. So taking the same powder, I'm gonna kind of snatch my nose a little bit like Beyonce. See, Beyonce has somewhat of a long nose, to say the least. Mine is very short. So we gotta create a nose bridge. I don't have one. It's okay though. What I'm doing, I'm taking the contour from my nose and I'm just kind of giving me like a little shape on my eyeball. I'm like putting it in my socket. I'm going to kind of, I'm not going to use a base for my eyes, but I want to use a new product for, well, it's new to me. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Magic Pigments. I just thought it was a regular pigment, but when it warms up, it like melts into this like, I don't know, it melts, girl. It's like liquid. It's cool, so I'm going to use it. So I'm going to take the pigment, I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. It's like a creamy base. So I'm just going to press it on my eye. So the first shade we're going to use is Book Me. I don't know, it's a brown. They're all browns, girl. If you have the palette, I would just say follow along. But until then, girl, they're all browns. Now I'm going to use a little bit of MUA. On the lid, I'm going to try to use something more bronzy. Let's use Rich first. And then on top of that, we're going to use Photogenic. Blend it in there. Using my ring finger again, I'm just going to apply it on the other eye. So I'm going to pop a little bit of Photogenic on top. The other color was perfect. Now this looks a little bit more on the red side. Okay, let's just kind of dust a little bit of that off. Beyonce's eye makeup was really, really soft. So like I said earlier, she has like a little bit of highlight underneath her brow bone, and I want to use something very, very soft. So for that brow bone highlight, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt. Yeah, so I'm going to use Afternoon Snack. Go ahead and highlight the rest of my face. I'm going to use Afternoon Snack again, and I'm going to put it on my nose because she has like a little nose highlight. So for the bottom, like my bottom lid, I'm going to put those same brown tones on there. So for my eyes, I want to put a little bit of white eyeliner on. I don't think she has any on, but I want to add some, just a very, very small amount, just to kind of make my eyes look bigger, because Beyonce's eyes are kind of big. So I'm going to use the Wonder Brow eyeliner by NYX. I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm gonna use something new today. It's the Damn Girl Too Faced mascara. So I put the mascara on, but now I'm debating, like, do I want to put lashes on? I might put some individual lashes on, like at the ends of my eyes, because hers are kind of flared out. But this mascara, it's kind of nice. Actually, I'm gonna cut this eyelash, put them on the ends of my eye. Okay, so I put glue on those lashes, and while those dry, I'm gonna put on a little blush. I'm gonna use my liquid blush by NARS. It's Torrid. So for the lips, in the picture, it looks like Beyonce is wearing a lip pencil, and I think I have a pretty good one, like as far as like the color. The Makeup Forever lip pencil in the shade Versatile Chestnut. So my camera died, but anyways, I applied the Too Faced Peach Puff and the shade Scary Spice. It's really soft. It has that like stain look. I'm gonna spray my face with a little bit of Caudalie. Oh, I forgot something. So Beyonce is wearing a little gloss. Hold that thought. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss. Now I'm going to curl my hair, and I'm going to put like the little individuals on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and threw a couple of curls in my hair, zhuzhed it up a little bit. And I do have those individual lashes on. I just kind of clipped half the lash and popped them on the corners of my eye. Because looking at the picture of Beyonce, it looks like she got like a little flare going on. I'm gonna insert some photos. Tomorrow I do plan on getting up, take some pictures, like some Beyonce inspired photos. So be on the lookout for those. I'm gonna put my Instagram account here. Follow me. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all next time.